hyperpigmentation on your skin, when you have acne, marks on your skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Brown Mom Shrishti, and today we are gonna learn how to get flawless base makeup when you have hyperpigmentation on your skin, when you have acne, marks on your skin, and how to not show them and achieve the flawless glow. As you can see, I have acne marks, hyperpigmentation from my pregnancy that I'm still working on to get rid of it. But today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup with minimal products to achieve flawless and glowing skin. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel to learn more about my skincare, my makeup and my everyday life. Without wasting any time, let's get started with how I achieve glowing base. So I have already prepped up my skin, because you should at least prep up your skin 5 minutes before you start your makeup, because if your skin still has a lot of moisture or oiliness, your foundation is just going to melt on your skin and it's not going to stay longer. So you should always give a gap of 5 minutes when you're doing your makeup. I prepped up my skin with first serum spray. It's a good spray that I have been using for quite some time, and it's already half a bottle, like you can see. Then I use a primer, because primer is very important for the makeup to stick on your face. Today I'm using the Cake Air Whip Priming Moisturizer. So you just apply a small amount on your face for your makeup to stick. Primer also creates a barrier between your makeup and skincare. If you have any actives in your skincare like retinol, BHA, AHA, niacinamide, so there is a barrier in between, because then the makeup would not combine with the skincare and oxidize or just separate. So once the primer is exactly set on your face, next we go with color correction, and this is one of the most important steps, because that is how you remove all the hyperpigmentation and the acne marks that you have on your face. So today I'm using the She Glam color correction palette and a brush to just color correct on my areas where I have discoloration. So I'll start with taking the orange color correction, because I do have some dark circles and acne marks, and because I have a bit of medium dark skin, so this color correction would suit my complexion. So I start with taking a small amount. And color correct all the marks that I have on my face. And then I blend it. You should properly blend the color correction so that it doesn't look very orange when you put foundation. It should just color correct all the areas which has a different color on your face. So now that I have color corrected my face, I'm going to put a concealer which is of a closer shade of mine. It's not lighter than my shade, it's very close to my shade. So I'm just going to put it and conceal this, and then I'm going to add foundation. So I'm going to choose this color which is close to my shade. It is a bit darker, but when you put the foundation and then you add the concealer, it's just going to work out. If you go with a lighter shade, it's going to make your makeup more gray in color. So I've properly color corrected my skin. Now I'm going to move with the next step, which is the foundation. And I'm using the She Glam foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to use my fingers first to spread it across my face, and then I'm going to use a damp beauty blender in the next step. blend the foundation in your hairline, going upwards. Don't put the foundation, a lot of foundation in the under eye, because we're also going to use the concealer after this, which is of the lighter shade, to highlight your under eyes and some of the areas on your face. Blend it in your neck so that there is no harsh line visible. As you can see, this is hiding all my acne marks and my hyperpigmentation on my face. And we are still left with the concealer. So next time you're going to use the She Glam concealer, which is in the shade Peanut. So this base is completely ready now. I'm just gonna add blush, contour and other parts of the makeup that I want to do and get back to you shortly to show you the final look. So now I'm completely done with my look. Like you can see, I have blush on, my contour is on, and I have lipstick on. I have done my eyes. It's a very minimal look that I have done for the day. So this is how you can do base, which is flawless, glowing, hiding all your hyperpigmentation and acne marks with added glow. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, because I'm going to bring more interesting content for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.